Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Leanna if you're new, and today I have this prom makeup look for you because it is April and that is prom season. Woo! I'm not in high school anymore, but it was really fun doing my makeup back then. So here we go.
I'm starting out by applying this amazing CC cream from IT Cosmetics. I actually prefer CC cream over foundation since it feels a lot lighter and looks a lot more natural. Usually in my daily life I don't even use any base makeup, but prom is such a special occasion and using some CC cream really helps your skin look really good in the photos. I'm gonna put on some concealer in my eye bag area and also cover up this red pimple that's been brewing underneath my skin today. Taking this Physicians Formula Bronzer, I will apply bronzer in the appropriate areas. I like using a fluffier brush to get that airbrushed bronzer look. Also, usually after I apply bronzer, I will check it in different lighting, like daylight, artificial light, just to see if it looks okay, just to make sure I didn't do a bad job with the bronzer if I went too heavy-handed. Now I'm gonna put on some eyebrows. I'm using quite a heavy hand since I know if I do my eyebrows more naturally, they won't be showing up in the pictures, so they look a bit dark right now, but once we apply the eyeshadow, it'll be balanced out. Now I'm gonna do what I always do, which is take a skin color eyeshadow shade and just set the concealer from earlier just to have a base for the eyeshadow that I apply on afterwards. Now I'm gonna use the Naked Heat palette and apply this brownish orangey color as my transition shade. Blend, blend, blend. And we definitely can't neglect that lower lash line. I decided to go for a more smoky look, so I'm going to find my darkest brown that I own, which happens to be in my Lorac 2 palette. And I'm just taking some time to blend out that brown shadow first, and then I'm going to move on to putting some of that into the inner edge of my eyes. Blend, blend, blend. Now that we have our brown settled in, I'm going to take this SAHI Cosmetics shadow in this gorgeous glittery orange shade. Taking the orange shade, I'm going to load up this brush real good and apply it to the center of my lids. Now I'm going to apply highlighter on my brow bones, inner corners, and cheekbones. Just applying some liner and then I'm winging out the edges. Now I'm applying some mascara. I'm not being super generous because the purpose of this is to let my false lashes have a place to sit afterwards. And when I apply the false lashes, I make sure that there's no gap in between my real lashes and the fake lash because that can look really bad. And then I also hold them up like so, just to ensure that my lashes will stand up when they dry. Moving on to the lips, I already have lip balm on, so I'm going to fill them in with this lip liner and then apply some liquid lipstick on top. After blotting, we have this nice vampy color that's the mixture of the two shades. I always love topping off a really glam look with some lip gloss because it really adds to, once again, the pictures. But this means it definitely won't last long, so definitely bring some lipstick with you to touch up throughout the night. Now this is totally optional, but if you have like a nice strapless dress or something that shows off your collarbone area, then definitely highlight that. It'll look really good in the pictures. If you have anything stronger than powder, then use it. Use liquid highlight, body glitter, whatever. Now the final step is to have fun at prom and take lots of pictures.
Alrighty everybody, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you liked the video, and I will see you next time. Bye!